salad is great to take to a picnic or a potluck. Use whole grain pasta in shapes such as elbow, penne, fusilli, rotini, or bow ties. For this recipe, you'll need enough water to boil the pasta, a half a pound of pasta, a half a cup of olives, half a cup of artichokes, quarter cup of chopped parsley, 4 to 5 sun-dried tomatoes, 2 to 3 scallions, and a half a cup of bell pepper. For the dressing, you'll need 3 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter cup of olive oil. For equipment, you will need a large stock pot to boil the pasta in, a sharp knife, a fork, a mixing spoon, 2 bowls, and a cutting board. And you also need a colander to drain the pasta. Cook the pasta according to package directions. Pour enough hot water over the sun-dried tomatoes to cover them and let them sit for about 10 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, chop all the vegetables. Mix the olive oil, the lemon juice, the balsamic vinegar, and the salt. After 10 minutes of soaking, we're going to squeeze the liquid out of the tomatoes and chop them into bite-sized pieces. After the pasta is done cooking, drain it, rinse it, and let it cool. Add the cool pasta to a large bowl, add the veggies, drizzle over the dressing, mix, and you've got pasta salad. This recipe serves between 4 and 6 people, so if you're going to a big party, just double the recipe. It'll keep for 3 to 5 days in the fridge.